Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on the high bitrate mode here on the Insta360 Ace Pro. If you haven't done so already, what higher bitrate does, it gives you a higher video quality as more data is used to represent each second of video. So let's show you how to do this. From the main screen here, we're going to swipe down from the top. And in this menu here, we're going to swipe from right to left. And we're going to select the little gear or sprocket here in the corner, which is going to take us into the main settings here on the Insta360 Ace Pro. From here, we'll scroll down until we see the image setting option there. We can go ahead and select that. And in here, you'll find the option for bitrate. It's currently set to standard on mine. We're going to change that to high. So we can go ahead and select that. And we'll just back out of here. And now our bitrate is set to high, giving us a superior video quality.